My Jeep Gladiator is too loud? Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Rob Motive JT. It is a gorgeous morning out here, 66 degrees. It's like winter time here. But anyway, some people have commented recently on my channel asking me, why is my Jeep Gladiator so loud? They've stated that theirs doesn't sound like that. Why does mine? Well, there's two reasons mine may sound different, I guess, than maybe yours or others that you've been in or heard. The first I'll show you right here. Okay, right here is the first, and it of course is the Air Raid cold air intake. I put this on specifically to get more sound out of the truck. And as you can hear in the video, I obviously get that. So much so, again, that people have asked me, why is my Jeep Gladiator so loud? Now, I don't think it's extremely loud. I think it gives me that throaty kind of grumble that I wanted without having to do anything or try to do anything with the exhaust. Which, by the way, I don't believe you get anything good out of an exhaust on a V6, but there are those that will argue with me about that, so we're not going to get into that. But the cold air intake is what gives that sound that you heard in the beginning, that nice throaty sound at takeoff and acceleration. Now, it's not droney, you don't really hear it much. I will say you can hear it a little when you're driving, but not too much. It's just enough, I think, to give you that throaty, grumbly sound while you're driving along, again, especially on acceleration, that I really like. I highly recommend this if you're looking for that. Now, I will say I have had other cold air intakes on the Jeep before, and if you watch the channel and you keep up with the videos, then you know I was disappointed. I actually had one that someone sent me, which was very kind of them, by the way. I did a test on it, didn't give me what I wanted, so I did a giveaway on the channel. Nice looking cold air intake, but just didn't give me the sound that I wanted like this one does. Now, the second could be because I have more aggressive tires on my Jeep Gladiator. I've got a Falcon Wild Peak AT3W. They're a 285/70R17, and they're more of a, what I like to call a hybrid tire, kind of a mix between off-road and on-road. But that means they have deeper, more aggressive tread. And of course, the more tread you have, the more aggressive tread you have, the more slapping on the road you're going to get as you're driving, and the more noise you're going to have, which doesn't bother me. Now, if you're very sensitive to sound and road noise and that kind of stuff, particularly in a Jeep, which isn't the quietest beast out there to begin with, then it might bother you a little bit. But for me, it does not at all. The second thing is the Sunrider soft top, although I honestly think it makes the Jeep a little bit quieter than just having the Freedom panels in there with no sound insulation. You know, a lot of people put sound insulation on them, and if you're not familiar with that, they're just pieces of cloth or sound deadening material that you kind of stick or adhesive tape up there to cut down on the noise. And it does work. It does cut down on the noise. Now, don't get me wrong, it is a Jeep. You're never going to have a quiet vehicle. You're not going to ride around like you're in some luxury SUV. And I'd say if you're looking for that, well, then you probably bought the wrong truck. But anyway, it is definitely louder. Mine is definitely louder because of the cold air intake and the wheels, or rather the tires. The wheels don't make much difference. Unless you're not riding on tires, then you might be a little bit louder. But I don't think it's too bad. It's given me, and I'm speaking of the cold air intake now, the sound that I wanted to have out of the Jeep without putting on any kind of an exhaust. And that's one thing I want to mention. You want to talk about loud. You know, I know there are people out there who have tried to satisfy that guttural desire that they have for noise in the form of a different or new exhaust. And I've never come across anything that I think sounds good with the V6 engine. You just can't get V8 sound out of it, right? So if you want to hear noise, ride in a Jeep where someone has changed out the exhaust, trying to come up with a more guttural, deep, throaty sound. It's probably going to be quite annoying and probably going to have a bit of a drone. Maybe it's out there, I just haven't found it yet. So is my Jeep louder? Yeah, my Jeep is louder. My Jeep is louder partially by design in the form of the cold air intake. It's kind of just a side effect, I guess, of having bigger tires, more aggressive tires as far as road noise goes. But again, doesn't really bother me. And I will say I have taken not this Jeep, but my previous Jeep, which had the same size tires on it, same tire exact. And we took that on a long distance trip, rode for hours and hours in that Jeep, and it didn't bother me at all. Of course, we listened to the radio. I didn't sit there and focus on the sound. And that's another thing, you know, I find it's funny sometimes what folks complain about. If you focus on something, it probably is going to get annoying, no matter what it is. You know, the sun beating in my eyes, if I sit there and stare at it long enough, it's going to become very annoying. Whereas if I look forward and just drive the truck, it's really not so bad. Anyway, I just wanted to get on, kind of address that a little bit. A few people have asked me, why is your Jeep Gladiator so loud? Well, I wouldn't say it's so loud, but it is louder because of the setup that I have and the cold air intake, and primarily the cold air intake. If you listen in the background, you can hear the engine, right? You can hear a kind of a noise, which is exactly what I wanted, and that's why. Leave a comment, let me know. Are you super sensitive to the sounds that your Jeep Gladiator makes? I'd be curious to know. Also, real quick, I do have 2 additional channels. Rob Motive, all about my 2021 Toyota Tacoma, and Rob Motive FST, all about my 2021 Toyota Tundra. Check them out, and if you're interested, why not subscribe? Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.